headaches or migraines, or hold more tension and stress up in the upper back of the neck, how might you target that area? So there's a few things you can do. One, if you specifically want to target that area, an auto program, you have upper body, right? And then you would just make that selection. Again, Shiatsu, Swedish, sports or Thai. Shiatsu and Swedish will be softer to more mild, and sports and Thai will be a bit more aggressive. So make that selection. This has to do with how high you want these rollers to start on your head. Let's say you want it to be a number 6. Make that selection. If you ever want to change it, if it's not getting high enough on the back of your head, or if it's getting too high, press one of the shoulder position buttons again. Make that adjustment, a notch or two. And that it's about an inch difference when you make that correction. So real quick note too, on the upper body programs, your compression will not be working on the foot or the calves. If you want to change that, just go into the menu. Go to Cloud Touch, highlight that, and you see it says arm and shoulder and back and waist compression are on. We'll scroll over. We'll highlight the full, and we'll implement that. So now you'll have your full body compression, you'll have your calves, your foot massage, you'll have everything going